Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm officially 22 years old, which is really crazy to think about. So I figured today I would share with you guys 22 things I have learned over the years. Some of these things might seem really obvious, but I feel like when I was younger, or even when I go through stressful times, sometimes I forget these things and need a reminder. So let's go ahead and get started. If something is not going to matter in 5 years from now, do not spend more than 5 minutes upset about it. No matter how hard you try, you cannot change somebody else's actions, thoughts, or feelings. That's something they're going to have to want for themselves. You have to love yourself before you can love somebody else. Never let your emotions overpower and cloud your judgment and logic. Comparing yourself to others is a serious waste of time and energy. No amount of stress or worrying can change your past. You need to learn to let go of things that are not meant for you. Never have regrets because everything happens for a reason. Never ever lower your standards for anybody, and do not settle. Never stay in a toxic friendship or relationship because you fear being alone. Your mindset and thoughts create your reality. Being positive does not necessarily mean being happy all the time. Someone's opinion of you is actually a better reflection of themselves and not you. Self-love and self-care are essential. Spending time alone is actually not so bad. You typically need self-discipline and determination to keep your priorities straight. It is okay to say no sometimes. Do not take things or anyone for granted. You have more control and power over your own life than you usually realize. It's important to remember that everybody around you is going through something, even if it doesn't seem like it. You can't expect things to change in your life unless you start actually making changes. Never stay in a situation that makes you unhappy, whether that be a friend group, your job, or where you live, because it's simply not worth it. Alright, if I counted correctly, that should be 22 things I have learned over the years. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Please feel free to leave any video requests below because I would like to know what you guys actually like watching. But of course, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you until next time. Bye!